Hello guys, I'm Sammy from HackerBad.net, and today I'm going to show you a little script that you can download which will allow you to automatically click your left mouse button a whole bunch faster than you could ever do manually, which is, quite useful for a lot of purposes, mostly for online games and so on. So this is the script. It's a .ahk file, which means it requires AutoHotkey to be able to run. You can get AutoHotkey by either googling AutoHotkey or clicking the link in the description of this video. The file itself can be downloaded at the link in the description as well. The file can also be configured. You just have to open it with your notepad or editor. And it's a very simple script, basically. It's a toggleable script. By default, the toggle key will be the F1 key. You can obviously change that to whatever you want. You could change to F2 or F12 or, to F or whatever kind of key you want. There's also an interval. This is in milliseconds. So if you have it at 100 milliseconds, that means it's 10 clicks per second, obviously. Now, if you were to set this to 50, that would be 20 clicks per second. I don't know whether there's actually a upper limit, but I wouldn't go too fast. I think 1 millisecond would definitely not be useful in most cases because usually applications aren't actually able to register that many clicks. Alright, so once you have customized this script to your liking, you can just save it, and the .ahk file should automatically be executable by just double clicking it once you have AutoHotkey installed, of course. Now, in order for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use Cookie Clicker, one of the most known clicking games, which can be exploited using this kind of thing. So I'm pressing the toggle button, and as you can see, I'm automatically clicking. Now, this script will click wherever your mouse cursor is at whatever time. It's not gonna automatically change the position of your cursor, alright? So you're still gonna have to move the cursor, and it's also impossible to have another application running in the foreground. If you're trying to do this, it's gonna click whatever is in the foreground, and it's not able to click things in the background or in other windows. You'd have to have some more advanced scripts. If you like this video and if you're interested in having more advanced auto clickers and bots using AutoHotkey software, I might be able to come up with some stuff. Just let me know by liking and commenting, and I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna turn this off again. Hope you have fun with this one, and thanks you guys for watching. Goodbye.